Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID credentials. This is essential because disabling locks require authentication. Next, make a current backup, either to iCloud or to a Mac via Finder, so you can restore data if needed. Once done, open Settings and go to your name, then to Find My. You must turn off Find My iPhone because Apple ties the account to activation lock. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to proceed and prevent the device from becoming unusable. You now perform the disabling action on the device. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then scroll and choose Sign Out. When asked, enter the Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and iCloud syncing. This step detaches data like photos and passwords from the account. Next, pick which local data you want to keep on the device, contacts, calendars, and so on, and confirm by tapping Sign Out. The device will remove the account and stop receiving iCloud updates once the process finishes. If you cannot access the device, you can sign out remotely at iCloud. COM in Account Settings, that removes access without physical access. To fully delete an Apple ID permanently, you must request account deletion at Apple's account portal or contact Apple support. They verify identity first. Finally, if you encounter issues, such as forgotten password or activation lock, reset the password or contact support and be ready to provide proof of purchase. This troubleshooting step usually resolves account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.